So let's look at Nextify.ai. Basically, this is a platform for creating AI-generated UGC videos. So UGC stands for user-generated content. And yeah, basically this platform is for creating ads that you can run on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram, whatever platform you need ads to run on. And this does support both 16:9 and 9:16, so you can make mobile ads as well as desktop ads. But yeah, let's look at some of the things that this offers. So if we scroll down a bit here, we can see that it's 10 times faster than most other platforms. So you can go from concept to finish ad in seconds. And then we have fully AI automated workflow, which is something that's really cool on this platform. Basically, all you really need is an image of your product. So you don't need to write the scripts and what you want the characters to say and all of that. It will basically generate even the script and stuff for you with AI. Which, if you've seen any of our previous videos talking about these UGC platforms, usually you'd need to use a different AI to create the script and then paste it in here to generate the video. But for Nextify.ai, it does all of that for you. And then we have 90% lower costs. So yeah, I did look at the pricing a bit earlier, and it is pretty cheap for how many videos you're going to get at the price. And I just want to mention that for any new users, you do get 20 free credits. And upon using those 20 free credits to generate your first video, you do get another 20 free credits for free. This is a limited time offer for all new users. So before we hop into using the tool, let's look at a few examples of what we can make. So here you can see an example of how you basically just drop the image in here, and then you just hit AI script over here, and it will basically write the script for you, and you just hit generate, and here's the ad. So if we scroll down a bit, we can also see it does talking actor videos, which there's two different types of these. So there's a character using your product, like showing how it's used, and then there's a character talking about the product. So depending on what you need, you could pick between these two templates. And then yeah, we also have B-roll of just the product. So this is for if you want to put it into cutscenes or something like that, where you don't necessarily want a character talking over it or showing up in the video, you just want the product alone. This is really good for listing videos. And then if we scroll down again, we can see it has unboxing and mobile app showcases. So unboxing is obviously going to be like showing a character getting a brand new version of your product and unboxing it and showing how excited they are about it. And then app demos is pretty good as well. It's basically going to show a character actually using the app you've developed. And yeah, that's also good for running ads, not so good for listing videos because it's not so common to have actors using your app inside of a listing video. But yeah, you can see there's a whole lot of features you can do with this. So let's go ahead and click on login here. So once we're logged in, you can see there's a whole lot of features here. Basically on this page is where you drop in your image and then you type the prompt here, or you click this little AI powered button right here to write the prompt for you. And we have a few different options for what type of videos or images we can create here. So the default is going to be your standard advertising video. And then we also have listing images here for if you need to create images to list your product on something like Amazon, TikTok Shop, any of these platforms basically. And you can see in the drop down here, it does list these shops. So it optimizes the images for those specific shops. And then we also have viral cloning, which is basically you can clone a video that's already doing well. This is really good for if you have a advert or you found an advert that's already performing well and you want to basically copy the same strategy. And then we have avatar videos here, which is if you want a specific avatar to appear in your video. So you want to control the character that's inside of the advert. And these are the four basically default options. There's more options down here. And if you select more over here, you'll be taken to the templates page where it shows you all of the tools and templates that they have. Actually, that's the tools page. The templates page is going to show you designs that are already working. So you can just copy one of these designs and drop one of your products in. And yeah, let's head back to the home page now and drop in an image here. Okay, so I just dropped in a picture of a mug. It's the image we normally use when we're testing tools like this. So yeah, I'm going to select the AI auto prompt once this is done loading. And yeah, in here, we just need to select Start Smart Optimization. And now it's basically looking at this image and deciding what the image is about. So here you can see it picked up that it's a ceramic mug, which it actually is here. And I'm just going to hit confirm. And yeah, it's generated all of the prompt or the video script for us. And I'm going to hit generate here. Now, before I hit generate, let's look at the settings we have here. So we can select our model. Basically, we have the Sedance models 2.0, 2.0 Fast, and 2.0 Mini. And then we also have Kling 3.0 Omni, and we have Happy Horse as well. So I'm just going to leave it on the default Sedance here. And then under the settings here, you can see we have 9:16 for mobile ads, and we also have 16:9 for desktop ads. So depending on where you want to run these ads, you'd select the aspect ratio here. And then we have our quality, which is 720p or 1080p. Now, for most advertisements, I recommend just leaving it on 720p. It is the lower resolution, but it's not really that low. No one's going to notice the quality difference. But yeah, if you do want like the highest quality, go ahead and select 1080p. And then here we have the duration slider. So we can go all the way from 4 seconds up to 15 seconds. And we're just going to leave this at a 10-second advert. And then obviously we have how many videos we want to generate here. So I'm going to leave this at 1. Now let's hit generate. Okay, so now we have our advert generated. I'm going to go ahead and select this and we're going to see what it looks like. And yeah, you can see that it's pretty good. It doesn't mess up the text or anything like that. And there is one more thing that I want to mention here, which is a test that I kind of do without mentioning it. Basically, this product has a different design on the other side of it. And some AIs will kind of try to predict what the mug will look like when it's turned around, which obviously is going to get wrong because it's a completely different design. And yeah, this AI didn't turn the mug for me or try to guess what was on the other side, which would have completely ruined this video. And yeah, the ad looks pretty good. We'll look at it one more time here. So yeah, now all we need to do is download this and we can run it as an ad on whatever platform we'd like. So the download button is just up here. And yeah, basically this only took 10 credits. You can see up here that I still have 290 credits left. And basically to look at how many credits you get on each plan. So we have the Pro plan, which is only $47 a month, and you get 300 credits. So if each video takes about 10 credits, then you're going to get about 30 10-second videos. Or if you lower down all the settings, you're going to get 100 videos here, as it mentions here. And then they also have business and starter plans. Obviously, the starter plan is the cheapest, so you're only going to get about 10 videos out of this 10-second long videos. And yeah, as I mentioned before, you're going to get 20 credits for free just for signing up. And when you generate your first video here, you're going to get another 20 credits for free again. So for my final thoughts on the platform, basically you can create ads pretty quickly with this. And since we can select how many videos we want down here, this is going to speed up the creation of ads and assets that we need for selling products by a lot. You won't need to hire any models or actors or record the ads yourself. And basically it only took about 2 to 3 minutes to actually get the video out here once I had that image to start with. So yeah, if you're rapidly creating products for something like a Shopify drop shipping store, or you're listing multiple products at once on other platforms, this is basically the best way to create the listing images and videos. And obviously, if you want to run ads, you want to be running multiple ads at once. And this is a great way to create multiple videos for each ad quickly. So yeah, I do recommend Nextify.ai if that's something you're interested in. If you're creating your own products and need listing videos or advertising videos for it. We all know advertising is difficult nowadays. So yeah, this has been Nextify.ai. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video with more AI tools and coding stuff.
Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe for more, and also click like and leave a comment and do all those things. Okay, bye!